Hello.
Hello. You already played, yeah, yesterday.
All right. So in this case, my understanding that he was going to appear in county court, take care of that.
He did, Your Honor. We appeared yesterday and the DWI is taken care of.
All right. So with that being said, are you all ready to proceed?
Yes.
All right. Court is calling 2021 CR 6023, State of Texas versus Israel Mankata. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Derahan, Your Honor.
George Schaefer for probation or defendant.
All right. And are you Mr. Mankata?
Before this hearing gets underway, there is important background that explains why this case is being resolved today after what appears to have been a long wait. Israel Manata was placed on deferred adjudication for evading arrest or detention with a vehicle. While on that probation, he picked up a DWI charge in county court. And the felony probation case could not be fully resolved until that county court case was handled first. Yesterday, he appeared in county court, entered a plea, and the judgment was satisfied. So today this court can finally move forward with the disposition on the original felony case. Two separate courts, two separate proceedings. One defendant who has now been waiting since July 2024 for this moment to arrive.
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Israel Mankata who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2021 CR 6023 for the offense of evading arrest detention with a vehicle on January 10, 2022 for a period of 2 years and extended for a period of 1 year? Is that you?
Yeah.
State?
Yes, Your Honor. I believe that is true.
I think that's correct, Your Honor. He's pled true to
He
that,
did.
and all we're doing is disposition.
All right. You're right. He pled true July 25th, 2024 to violation of condition number 1. And since then, we've been waiting for the case to be resolved in county court. All right. So what was the resolution to county court?
Judge, I can speak to that.
Yes.
We were in the county court number 2 yesterday. The defendant entered a plea. He was sentenced to a term and the judgment is satisfied.
All right. And just one moment. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Any objection to the court reviewing the court summary? All right. So I'm assuming both parties are asking that he be continued?
Your Honor, the state is asking that the defendant be continued, that he go to SATIF.
Right here, the judge acknowledges something genuine and important before delivering news this defendant was clearly not expecting. She says she appreciates the fact that he recognizes he has a problem. 4 AA meetings attended since July. That is a real step, and the judge is not dismissing it. But then she lays out what else is in that court summary. A positive cocaine test. And a DWI picked up while already on probation for evading arrest. For meetings is a starting point. It is not a track record. And the judge is about to explain why starting points are not enough to avoid custody when the underlying substance issue has already produced 2 separate legal problems while under active court supervision.
And what we have done is this defendant has been attending some AA meetings, correct?
And right here, the conversation takes a turn that clearly catches the judge off guard and shifts the entire tone of this hearing for a moment. This defendant just disclosed that his wife works overnight, and he is the only person available to watch their son. His mother cannot help because she has an autoimmune disease and significant vision loss. And there is no other family member in a position to step in. The judge pauses, because this is a real and immediate problem that has nothing to do with the legal decision being made and everything to do with what happens to a child the moment this man is taken into custody today. What do you think should happen when the right legal decision and the immediate needs of an innocent child pull in opposite directions?
Yes, I have 4 signatures.
I'm sorry, how many signatures?
4.
This is the most important thing the judge says in this entire hearing, and she delivers it with complete clarity and genuine care. She tells him directly that she is not sending him into custody to punish him. She is trying to get him help so that he can actually succeed on this probation and stay out of prison. Because the charge sitting underneath all of this is evading arrest with a vehicle which carries up to 10 years in the Texas Department of Corrections. And while on probation for that charge, he picked up a DWI connected to substance use. The judge is making the point that untreated addiction does not resolve itself on its own. And if it is not addressed through a structured program like felony drug court, the most likely outcome is a motion to revoke and a prison sentence that takes him away from his child far longer than any treatment program ever would.
So you've attended 4 meetings
Yes.
since July,
Yes.
right? So what I can tell both parties, and I appreciate the fact that you realize that you have an issue, but from reviewing the court summary, you tested positive for cocaine before. And this wasn't your first DWI, according to the court summary.
Judge, I believe it's the only one that he's been carried
Okay.
forward to
Okay.
conviction.
All right, well, I'll disregard that last DWI then and just focus on the DWI that you pled true to. So I have that, and I have you testing positive for cocaine. This is what I'm going to do. You're going to go into custody today. I'm going to refer you to felony drug court. Counsel, if you will reach out to felony drug court.
I'm sorry to interrupt, but my wife works overnight, and I'm the only one that can watch my son.
All right. Does she have a grandmother?
No, she does not.
Oh, is your mom here?
No, she's not. She has a MOGAD. It's an autoimmune disease,
Okay.
and she could only barely see out of one eye. So
All right. So here's the issue. You shouldn't be caring for a child when you have this cocaine issue going on in the DWI. Now, this is what I'm telling you, and I want you to internalize what I'm saying. I'm trying to give you help so that you can be successful on this probation, because this is an evading arrest detention with a vehicle. You're looking at potentially 10 years in the prison. And while you're on probation in this court, you picked up a DWI. And I realized DWI, the drug use, that's related to addictions. So I'm trying to help you solve that, because otherwise you could potentially go to prison for 10 years. And then when you get out, who knows when you get out, but when you get out, your child won't remember you. So I'm going to deny the motion, alternate amend conditions. I'm going to do a referral to felony drug court, and counsel, if you reach out to felony drug court, they'll probably be able to see him. Maybe they'll be able to still see him this week. Probably not, but definitely next week. And if you reach out to them and tell them he's very interested in the program and would like to be in the program, I know they have a graduation upcoming, so they'll probably have placement for him. All right, so we're going to do a referral to felony drug court. That's first. If he's not accepted into felony drug court, then we're going to do SATA. And I'm going to also add 120 sober meetings in 120 days. And he's to remain in custody until transfer to felony drug court or SATA. Probation, is there anything else he needs? Is there anything else you need for me to be successful?
is there a way I could get like a reset until I have a bed?
So you have what?
So I get a bed?
I'm sorry, what did he say?
A bed, Your Honor. He's looking to see if he could report once there's a bed available.
No.
Okay.
Okay. All right, and we can go off the record. Here's the thing. I know this is what you were anticipating, but you have to look at the big picture. And the big picture is your attorney did great work for you, because you could be going to prison, right? And you're not. What you're doing is you're going to get treatment so that you can be a better parent to your child. And I'm sorry if there's no one other than your wife to watch your child. I hope she doesn't lose her job.
I
But
was at a household as well.
Hmm?
So all these bills are gonna pile up.
Yeah. But if your attorney is able to get in touch with felony drug court, if you have no objections, I'll send them an email as well to see maybe if they can put him on the list to talk to him today.
I would appreciate the court